Welcome dudes and dudettes to today's video about how you can create presentations within Canva. If you're sick of Google Slides or PowerPoint, then you can also now create presentations within Canva. Obviously you could have always done that, but Canva 2.0 has this nice presentation mode as well. So choose a presentation. Like there is the one that is 16:9. If you click on browse all, there will be another one, for example, for 2:3. So depending on what setup you have or what display you have, you can choose between those two. But you want to make sure that you choose the presentation because that has a specific function, just as the Facebook post or the social posts now have the availability to share it to social networks. Yeah, so you choose presentation. I did that already and obviously created a template for you, or you can click on template and you can see that there are a lot of different versions that you can pick from, and they look a bit more decent than what PowerPoint has to offer. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, I created one for our podcast right now, and you can see here there is this notes icon. Now this one has lines because I've already written some notes in there, and this one for now is empty. But when you create your slides, you can go through there and you can add your presentation notes in here, because there are two ways of how you can present your slides, which is one, just as simple as clicking the present button. You can here choose transition styles, so that one has none. That's a fade. You can see in the preview how this would look like. This is tile. You can see you have to click it and then you can see the preview. Or you have circles. Whoosh. Slide. Boom. Rise. And wipe. Well, I forgot what sound I could do right here. Swoosh, maybe, whatever. So here you can then choose it's generally the first type that you see is standard. So when you click on standard and click on present, it will go into the full screen mode. But as I mentioned, you can also go into presentation view. I will do no transitions now, and you can move over to the presenter view, which then if you click on present will open a separate window, which is the window that your clients will want to see. So when you do that somewhere outside in front of people, then you have to make sure that you set this up properly, because and that's not something I can show you now, but as you can see here, this is the screen that you want to share. You don't have to go to the full screen mode. I just click on the X button here, and again, this is the area with your presentation that your people want to see. But here you can see is the presenter's view. And again, you can skip between those two things. And here you can also add, while you're typing, some content to whatever you have written or whatever you want to remember. So yeah, and if you click on escape again, you will be out of your presentation once again. So yeah, that was it for this week. I hope it was helpful, and see you again next time. Bye. That's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe it's a red button, has a bell on it. So click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.